In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning poster in Adobe Photoshop that truly stands out. Let's dive right in, starting with the basics of using Adobe Photoshop to bring your ideas to life. First, we'll head over to the Adobe Photoshop platform. If you're not already familiar, Adobe Photoshop is one of the industry's leading design tools, providing a robust set of features for professional-grade image editing and graphic design. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Photoshop is your go-to tool for creating anything from simple graphics to complex artwork. Once we're in Photoshop, the next step is to create a canvas for your poster. Think of the canvas as the digital workspace where you'll lay out all your design elements. You'll want to start by opening a new file and setting the size of your canvas. This will largely depend on what you plan to do with the poster, whether it's for digital sharing or print, but a typical start might be a size such as 24 by 36 inches for print. Remember to set the resolution to at least 300 pixels per inch for clear, crisp quality, especially if you're printing. Now that you've set up your canvas, it's time to focus on the branding. Understanding your branding is crucial. Consider the color combinations, the environment, and the overarching theme you're aiming to achieve. The colors you choose should align with your brand identity or the mood you want to convey. Are we talking bold, vibrant colors, or is a more subdued palette appropriate? Having a clear vision of your brand's personality or the message you want to send will guide your color choices effectively. Moving on, detailing is key in making your poster pop. Clear and effective typography is essential. Your choice of fonts can greatly affect the poster's readability and overall aesthetic. Stick to one or two fonts to maintain harmony and make sure your text contrasts against the background. Hierarchy in typography, using different font sizes and weights, will guide the viewer's eye and highlight the most important information. Remember, balance is key in design. Too many details can overwhelm the viewer, while too few might not capture their interest. Once you've got your branding and design details sorted out, it's time to bring all these elements together to make your design. Start laying out your text, images, and any other graphics you want to include. Use Photoshop's layers to keep your work organized. Layers allow you to edit each element separately without affecting others, giving you the flexibility to make adjustments easily. And there you have it, a well thought out process to create a detailed and captivating poster using Adobe Photoshop. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to express your creativity seamlessly. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.